Hello, I'm Saiful. I'm from Indonesia. Now I'm living in Warsaw. I am 40 years old. Why? Because I want to live here to know about the Europe world. Actually, I'm joined it with my wife. My wife working in Warsaw right now. So I'm doing my hobby and my activity in Warsaw. Mostly my hobby is taking 3D photography and drawing. Also, I meet some friend in here. Actually, especially my friend with some hobby with me like Star Trek fans, 3D photography, and also comic books. In different country, especially in Warsaw, I met many friends same hobby with me, Star Trek fans in Warsaw. Of course, I like Poland much because in Poland I feel like most Europe country, but there's some unique style because Poland more East Europe. Yes, it's very important because communication is how to know the idea from another people. Yes, indeed, that the language will be barrier during the communication. Yeah, I think in the beginning, yes. But if you want communicate with people with some idea, the language will be not a barrier anymore. I already proved it with my friend from Warsaw and Poznan because they have a same hobby. The language we can get support from Google Translate or any tool can easy to communicate with different language. But the idea is similar, is same. Yes. Or maybe it's easy to say that I easy to adapt different culture, not to avoid if strange culture, just try to adapt different culture with my origin culture. Hmm, I think it also not as difficult yeah, to accept the different knowledge because the knowledge mostly every country have a same standard of education, so it means there's no problem. Now the idea maybe because in my country is uh, more Eastern culture, so it mean like hierarchy for senior people. It's different way how to Europe people to to respect senior people. Maybe it's different. Yes, there's a different, but not too much. Still can adapt easily because I see in Poland mostly young people respect to senior people. For example, in bus public transport, some young people automatically give the sitting to older people or maybe the disabled people. So far, so good. I think I have no problem with interact with other people, another race, another country, or another religion, I think I have no issue. If these people or this he or she, the attitude is not too extremely negatively, I think it's okay. Of course, yeah, of course. I see Poland people is more tolerant. Maybe they shocked with me because my face is Asian, but actually not to show this they or he or she shocked with me. They tolerant because I'm also living in Nowodwory. This part is 20 minutes from central Warsaw. Mostly in Nowodwory is lived by Polish people. There's only few people from foreign people in there. Maybe I experience, but it's very nothing, I think, because I walking in empty street. I saw the young people drinking young people. Maybe they say hi roughly and not polite. Only that. Because I understand, because this young man was drinking, not really conscious. So I accept this conflict not too important to rise the as interculture or interrace conflict, because they drunk. Hmm. I think no. I think the people already accept us, me especially, or I already adapt how to living here. I don't know. But actually, I already meeting some Polish people here. Also visit directly to Polish family here. They are welcome. First of all, I have to learn this Polish culture before we visit. This is important thing, because we don't want to visit another home, another country without any knowledge about the culture we want to visit. Is the first thing. So if we already have knowledge, I think it's easy to adapt. Any surprise if you're facing different culture, different behavior with our origin. For example, I already visit a small village in Polish to my friend. My friend is same hobby with me, 3D photograph. They asked me to visit their home, and then after we lunch, he also asked me to join him to visit their friend in this village. Luckily, I visit a cow farmer. They produce milk. Also, the farmer so welcome with me and my wife. Even my face is look different totally, because it's Europe style and my face is Asian style. I think I feel there's no reluctant or barrier with my behavior and their behavior or their culture, because we already know how to say Dzień dobry. The first time we meet the Polish people, this will be open our heart gate too easy to accept. Of course, in my field, suddenly will be adapt this situation. This is my experience.